Bethan Matthews, foundation degree in culinary arts. College doing MVQ level 1, 2 and 3, following by working in a local hotel called Bottiscallan Hall. Then I went to London to work, and then after that I moved to Paris to work for 6 years. College has been brilliant to help me with my career in cooking, and also to give me confidence. Being able to do it in both languages has helped me to go to work to London and Paris. Hopefully after graduating I'm going to be doing teachers training, and being bilingual will help me get a job hopefully. I would encourage anybody to come to college to do their course bilingual or through the medium of Welsh to help them with their career.